Alright guys, so hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Abrar back again with another video. And let's quickly start off with the first step. So first thing first, we'll be getting lyrics like which you are baby. After doing this part, we'll be trying it on the slow music also, so that you guys will be getting the idea how to do it. Let's quickly start off with the first step. So first thing first, you need to keep this thing in mind. In the first part, you have to keep doing this thing. What we are doing over here, we're just taking our hips out to our right, to our left, to our right, to our left. Alright, with that, some people will tap their legs also. If you guys are comfortable with that, you can just do it, or if not, you can just take your hip out like this. It's up to you guys. Alright, and your hands will go like show body, body, sleep, sleep, and over here you have to just push something up, first with your left, then with your right. What our body is doing over here, we just gotta bend our body like ha and come up, ha and come up. With that, if you want to tap your legs, like even the creator is tapping, just tap and bend, tap and bend. As soon as you keep your leg down, you have to bend, and leg down and bend. Alright, with that, your hand will be popping up. First left hand, as I said, goes boom and boom. Alright, make sure that you're coming up also. So it goes like hit your mama game with the baby. Make sense? One more time. 5, 6, 7. Then we'll go on the slow music. Goes hit your baby. I know I kind of messed up the lyrics, but yeah, I hope that you guys make sense. And make sure while doing this, your body is going opposite. Don't do it like this. No, we're not gonna do that. Just boom, boom, ha, ha, whoop, whoop. Perfect. Let's quickly try it on the slow music. Come on. By the way, in the start we have to roll also. I don't know why I forgot, but yeah, let's quickly try it. Come on.
5, 6, 7, roll. The inside. Go.
Perfect guys, you guys are killing it, trust me on that. I hope that you guys are making sense till here. Let's quickly go forward. As soon as you do Gonna with the baby, what you gonna do over here? We gotta open our right, and your hand will go like ha, ha. You might have done this step before if you guys are TikTok dancers, but with this you have to even bend your body this much. I mean, you have to be in the squat position, and you have to just do this and this. With this, people will also tap their legs, and even they'll take out their pelvic like ha, ha. If you want to do that, you can do it, or if you want to just do the normal one, like normal with the tap, you can do that too. What we are doing, whenever our hand is going, just tap your body and weight change to your right, tap your body, weight change to your left. That's all. Alright, so it's like we did Kana with the baby, ha, ha. This will be fast. This is slow, slow, ha, ha, fast. Cool. As soon as you do that, you gotta go ha. It's kind of like you're picking something and coming back to the place, ha, and ha, ha. And then open, then slow and slow. Basically, this training is super going viral on TikTok and all the other platforms. You might have done this also, but yeah, you gotta do it. But you will be doing it in the squat position, like we did ha, ha, pick up, come back, now cut, cut, open, don't forget to open, and then go to your left, bend your body to your left, right. Alright, first we'll be going to left and then right. Cool. So it's like we did Gonna with the baby, ha, ha, whoop, ha, ha, whoop, 1, 2. Perfect. And over here, the lyrics will go like Chajo ha barikabo gangai hara with the baby. We're gonna catch the same thing which we catched over here, but the lyrics will be different. Rhythm will be same. I hope that makes sense. And over here, we're catching a beat like chuck, ha, ha, whoop, 1, 2. Gonna with the baby. Make sense? Let's quickly try it only this part, the second part on the slow music, and then we'll be trying it from the top on the slow music. Let's do it. Come on.
5, 6, 7, go.
I hope that you guys are able to do it. Let's quickly try it from the top on the slow music. Let's do it.
5, 6, 7, roll. Go. Slow, fast.
So basically on the lyrics now, you have to start doing now with the gaze, something out of that, right? I hope that makes sense. Let's quickly go forward. As soon as you do na 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 na, what you gonna do? We'll learn the legs and the body over here first. We'll be just taking our hip back like this much back, and you have to keep your left leg onto your toe. Full body weight will be onto your right, and just turn your leg and body this side. All right, I mean your hip will be turning this side. It's like 1 2. It's kind of like you're taking half circle and going over here. All right, with that you have to take chest round also. If you're not comfortable with that, I'll not recommend you guys, because it's kind of risky to do it. You might end up break your back. I don't want that to happen. So we'll be just going like ha, and this side. We'll be turning this side. Make sure that you're not keeping your hip back only. We'll be taking it forward like this. All right, I mean your pelvic. Cool. So it's like ha and come forward. And then as soon as you come forward, you need to pretend like you're pushing something back. Again, this part will be coming forward, and then go back. Your hands will be like doggy. Turn over here, and then on the money lyrics, you have to come forward like this by showing this. Cool. So it's like we did ta da ha 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 boom boom. Now goes whoop. Roll your leg, hip. Now goes 1. First push it back, then become a doggy, then turn over here, then on the money lyrics come forward. Make sure that over here we'll be having a slight gap, and then we'll be coming forward. Cool. I hope that makes sense. Let's really practice it one more time on the counts, and then we'll be trying it on the slow music. Come on, let's do it. Goes 5 6 7. What we did last, we did na 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 da da da. Roll this side, push forward, turn, break, and money. Perfect. You guys are killing it. Without wasting any time, let's really try it on the slow music. Come on.
5 6 7 go.
The rhythm will go same with jo ha mari ga gari ga very ga go baby on that. All right, let's quickly go forward. As soon as you come over here, you have to do sway with your body. Your body will be doing sway consistently, and your hand will be over here like this, and this hand will be beating it. So we are here, chuck, start doing the sway. So it's kind of like you're beating yourself, and start doing the sway, and then just throw money while doing the sway. As soon as you do that, you have to go like chuck again, take your chest up, push something down, and then again sway. It's kind of like you're wearing something and sway. That's all. And over here you have learned your TikTok dance, but we're going to revise it. This part, I mean the third part, right? So it goes like we did last. What we did, yeah, we did this, legs closed, and then chuck, money, chuck, ha, whoop. And with that being said, guys, now let's really try it on the slow music, and then we'll be trying it on the normal music. First we'll be trying the third part on the slow music, and then we'll be trying from the top, and then we'll be trying it on the normal speed. Come on, let's do it.
Go.
Perfect, guys. I hope that you guys are able to do it, and let's really try it from the top on the slow music. Let's do it.
5 6 7 roll. Go. Slow. Change fast. Roll. Breathe.
Perfect, guys. And with that being said, if you guys like my content, and if you want to learn more TikTok dances like this, make sure that you're hitting the subscribe button, because I want to meet you guys every single day, because I post every single day. And now let's really try it on the normal music as I said.